back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create Slack workspaces for teams. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply tap open your Slack. Once you open your Slack, you need to create your Slack workspace. So go to your Slack in your website, tap on a subscription basis or subscription model and create your workspace. You need to enter your email and follow the prompts to confirm your email address. After verifying your email, you will be guided to name the workspace. Add your name and profile. Once you have started the creation process, you need to simply invite your team as well. Enter the email address of your team members to invite them. You can also choose to skip this step and invite people later. And once you've done this, you can simply finalize and start using your Slack workspace. You need to click on next or simply tap on let's go to finish the setup, and Slack will create your workspace and set up your initial channel based on your project. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.